Ever pondered upon the significance of Eid in Islam? Well, Eid, a significant religious festival, is celebrated with fervor by Muslims worldwide. Now, there are two main Eid festivals in Islam, each with its unique significance and traditions. Firstly, we have Eid al-Fitr, marking the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. It's a time for prayers, feasting, charity, and social gatherings. Muslims congregate in mosques to perform special Eid prayers, exchange gifts, and indulge in meals with family and friends. This joyous occasion symbolizes the completion of a month-long spiritual journey of self-reflection, prayer, and fasting. Then, we have Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice. It commemorates the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son Ismail as an act of obedience to God. But God intervened, providing a ram to be sacrificed instead. Muslims worldwide celebrate Eid al-Adha by performing ritual animal sacrifice, known as Qurbani, following the Prophet Ibrahim's example. The meat from the sacrificed animal is then divided into three parts, one for the family, one for relatives and friends, and one for the less fortunate. Now you may wonder, what exactly is the significance of these Eid festivals in Islam? Eid festivals are a time for Muslims to renew their faith, strengthen their connection with God, and seek forgiveness for past sins. The fasting and spiritual discipline of Ramadan prepare Muslims for Eid al-Fitr, while Eid al-Adha's rituals of sacrifice and charity remind them of compassion, generosity, and obedience to God's importance. Eid festivals also foster community bonding. Muslims gather in mosques for prayers and celebrations, visit each other's homes, exchange greetings and gifts, and share meals. These communal gatherings strengthen social ties and promote camaraderie among Muslims of all ages and backgrounds. Charity and compassion are also emphasized during Eid. Muslims are encouraged to give Zakat al-Fitr before Eid al-Fitr to ensure everyone can participate in the festivities, and to perform Qurbani during Eid al-Adha to share blessings with those in need. These acts reflect the principles of generosity, empathy, and social justice inherent in Islam. Lastly, Eid festivals are rich in cultural traditions and customs that vary from region to region. Muslims around the world celebrate Eid with unique rituals, foods, clothing, and festivities that reflect their cultural heritage and local customs. Despite these cultural differences, the underlying message of faith, gratitude, and community remains universal. In conclusion, Eid festivals hold immense significance in Islam as occasions for spiritual reflection, communal celebration, and acts of charity and compassion. They serve as reminders of the core values and teachings of Islam and provide opportunities for Muslims to strengthen their faith, foster unity within their communities, and spread love and goodwill to all.